I will show you in this video how you can add PayPal buttons, okay? How to embed PayPal buttons on your website using Hostinger website builder. So what you're gonna have to do is first, we're gonna have to use this guide, okay? We're gonna need to right over here, this one. I'm gonna choose this one from here, decide which one you like, and then here you're gonna have this guide, all right? So payment button I want, add here your servers, your product ID, your customers, and then customize your button. And then you have the text, buy now, PayPal. Okay, you're gonna have to do this. All the informations, auto return URL, use a custom, no. Here you're gonna add the use specific, no, text not applicable. Okay, optional, product ID, service name, add here your service name. And okay, and now I'm gonna copy this copy code. And now you're gonna have to open the editor and just now let's say here we want to add a button, or the bottom, the PayPal button. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna click on here, add element, and then here we're gonna see, where is it? We're gonna see embedded button, embedded code, sorry, and then here just enter code. I'm gonna then enter the code I just copied, embedded code, and now you just need to paste the code here, duplicate, hide, show, and if I click on preview, I have the button here. It just takes a little bit of time to load apparently, so here again it's loading. That's why I didn't show it first. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now you can resize, but it's not really gonna work. It's gonna crop it, so I'm gonna have to use it this way. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Now here you have the more like the code to edit the code, but like if you're a programmer, you might know how to change a couple of stuff here. But anyways, yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful.